Uline's industrial counting scales let users quickly weigh and count items. They are rugged, durable, and designed for everyday use in warehouses, stockrooms, and manufacturing areas. There are 4 versions to choose from: a 6-pound capacity, a 15-pound capacity, a 30-pound capacity, or a 65-pound capacity. All 4 scales are easy to use and more accurate than manual counting. With an 11.5 by 8.5 inch stainless steel platform, you can safely weigh and count larger items. In order for Uline's industrial counting scales to be accurate, proper setup and use is very important. Place your scale in an environment that is free from vibrations, excessive air currents, such as open doors, windows, and heat or air conditioning vents. Place the scale on a solid surface and use the adjustable feet and the level indicator to the left of the display to level the scale. Do not put items on the scale platform before turning the scale on. Plug the scale into a standard 110-volt outlet and turn the unit on. The scale display will count down to 0. You are now ready to weigh or count your items. To weigh an item, simply place the item on the platform. The weight will be shown in the weight display. In addition to pounds, the scale can also weigh in kilograms. To change from pounds to kilograms, press and hold the unit weight preset key. Then press 2 for kilograms. To switch back to pounds, press and hold the unit weight preset key, then press 1. Counting items using the scale is easy. Simply place a sample quantity of the item you want to count on the scale platform. Key in the sample quantity and press the sample key. The sample quantity will appear in the quantity display. The weight of 1 unit is in the unit weight display, and the overall weight of all the items on the platform is shown in the weight display. Simply add additional units to the scale, and the scale will count them for you. The larger the sample size used, the more accurate the count will be. It is critical that you choose the correct scale to ensure that the item you're weighing will meet the minimum piece and sample weights. Refer to the piece counting chart in the instructions for details. If you prefer to use a container for weighing, such as our S20351 scale scoop, you must first subtract the container weight from the sample weight. To do this, first place the empty container on the scale. Press Tare. This will set the scale back to 0. Now, place your sample quantity in your container and key in the sample quantity and press the sample key. Now add additional units to the container and the scale will count them for you. Your Uline industrial counting scale arrives pre-calibrated. As part of your routine maintenance, you may need to recalibrate your scale. Refer to the manual for instructions. Calibration can be done using both metric and imperial weights. Uline has a complete line of scale calibration weights available. In addition to weighing and counting, Uline industrial counting scales will also perform check counting, check weighing, accumulation, and store weights for up to 10 items. Uline's industrial counting scales come with a 1-year warranty, and Uline services all scales we sell. Uline industrial counting scales and accessories are in stock and ready for immediate shipment from any of our convenient locations in North America. Whatever your weighing and counting needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.